Hello and welcome back to Elden Ring. We're here in Caelid. I am attempting to murder this son of a bitch. Sorry, language. Death Rite bird. Really annoying. He's killed me twice now. It's really unfair. His fucking movesets just... He has 1 million. Gonna be a silent gameplay. Oh, fucking. Also, the terrain here is just bogus. Oh, and that happens. Y'all saw that, right? Very fair that he did that. What's this boss's stance fucking? He does not get stance broken. More? There you go. Go to hell where you belong. Oof. Goodness. Rough fight. Third try. Took me 2 tries. Actually, no. Same amount of tries my first run. Challenging enemy. With a challenging arena. I mean, it's just... bullcrap. That's what you call it. I'll be signing off and leaving here.